Hi, day 21. Do some volunteer work. Volunteer for a local organization. Volunteer doing some church work. Or do some volunteering visiting a hospital or right now it can be difficult with the distancing where we can go to volunteer, but maybe people need a blanket, or maybe you can volunteer by mentoring someone, tutoring someone. You decide. For many years before COVID, I actually volunteered with a children's disco. A lot of parents, we met up and we made a disco for the children with a DJ and lights, and of course we took care of all the children so they were safe. Other thing I love and I cherish and I'm very passionate about is me being a chairperson of the Human Rights Council of India. It's volunteer work, but it gives me so much more. And volunteering actually gives back. When you give to others, it naturally and automatically boosts your mental health. So today, for day 21, look at doing volunteer work regularly. Take care. Stay safe.